Well, today I'm going to go through all of my books and organize my bookshelf. Obviously, I have a lot of books, so today I kind of want to go through everything, see what I even have. Of course, I've read a lot of these books already, but there's also a lot that I have not, so I just kind of want to take inventory, basically, and get rid of, free some space with some of the books that I have read and don't really love or plan to reread. And then at the end of today's video, once everything is all nice and set up and looking beautiful, I can finally do a bookshelf tour. But anyways, let's get to work. Alright, you guys, I spread out all of the books. I've taken everything off my bookshelf, including like previous decor that I had. I'm gonna kind of sort through everything first before I start putting it up on the bookshelf. I like to organize my books by color, so I'm probably going to organize these by color first, and then also make a pile of my favorite books, or like books that I really want to like make sure are like proudly displayed. And then while I'm sorting things out, I'm going to kind of see what books I can kind of get rid of to free up some space. I already started buying Christmas books. I'm really excited. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. But I am going to kind of put holiday books together as well. These two will definitely be in my favorite book section, especially Every Summer After. Oh my god, the best. Also adding Love in Other Words purples. I've noticed a lot of my books tend to be blue. Like that's the biggest section that I always have. They definitely need a lot of room for blue books. More blue. Hi, did you come over to help me? You came over to help. Thank you very much. Blue. These two books are probably the newest in my entire collection. I actually just found this one at Costco and I've been wanting to read it, so I picked it up. And then this one was in my mailbox this morning. This is Someone Had to Do It by Amber and Danielle Brown, and I'm so excited about this. Okay, for the get rid of pile, I don't know where to put it. I have so many piles right now, but this one by Jessica Simpson was actually really good. This is her memoir open book, and I love this one. But it's just like really beat up, and I don't think I'll reread a memoir, so I am going to get rid of her. Although I do love you, Jessica. I've been going back and forth with this one for a while. This is The Silent Patient by Alex Nikolides. I feel like I'm butchering that completely, but this was a decent book. It's not my favorite, and I don't really ever include it in my recommendations list, nor will I reread this one. So honestly, I might get rid of it. Yellow. Where is yellow? No yellow? Like, would this even be blue or gray? I guess gray. We are seriously lacking in green books, or minty ones. When I'm organizing them, I'm going by the color on the spines, by the way, because like this is a blue book, but the spine that we'll see is red, so I put it in the red section. Also going in the faves pile, I want to put Beach Read in my faves pile, but my mom is borrowing it, so just pretend that it's there. Okay, now that we have all the piles sorted, I am going to start putting these up on the shelves. So these are all the books that I put off to the side. I'm probably going to continue to try to purge some more things as I go through all this stuff. But for now, I just put these off to the side. These are things that I won't reread or that I didn't really enjoy or won't like recommend. Although like this one I did really like, but I don't like how the book looks. Okay, I'm sorry, I said it. I don't like how it looks. It looks a little beat up, a little worn. Moving along. But with these books that I'm getting rid of, I'm actually going to sell them on Pango Books, and this isn't an ad. I just found it recently and I'm obsessed. Kind of like Mercari, but just for books. It's a good way to like kind of trade in your books and buy secondhand as well. So it's really fun. Just, you know, book lover to book lover. Check it out. I'm gonna start off with the black books and put them on the bottom corner shelf. Okay, I'm gonna try something actually. I have like all of my hardcover books kind of like intertwined with my paperbacks, but I'm not loving how that looks. So I think I'm gonna try to put all my hardcovers on this shelf, still in like color coordinated order, and then just keep all of the paperbacks together. Let's see how that works. Okay, I actually kind of like how this looks, but I want to continue putting the black books on the bottom of the shelf just because I prefer the dark colors on the bottom. So I am going to put the black cover books here, and then I'm just going to keep the light, like the white, creams, and yellow hardcovers intertwined with the matching paperbacks. Hopefully that makes sense. You guys, you'll see what I'm saying. I'm gonna put my favorite books here. I got these amazing tiled bookends at Urban Outfitters. I'm going to link everything that I can on my bookshelves down below, so check that out. Okay, I actually decided I don't like the 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo up here because I feel like it's just too dark to go with these. So I'm just gonna leave it with these for right now. That is so cute. Almost done. Gotta do the top shelves, and I think I have a plan. So I had these little crates on the top of my bookshelf, but they didn't really have anything. Like, they had notebooks and stuff, but I already moved that around. So I am going to put these 2 Christmas books up here, and then as I continue to buy Christmas books, since we are fast approaching Christmas, I'm going to keep putting them in here. That is so cute. Then with the other crate, I only have a few books left over, but they're all purple and green, just kind of like an awkward color for the book situation that I have going on. So I'm gonna put those up there. So here are the last books left over. Okay, so the official tour, I ended up putting a majority of my hardcovers on the very bottom shelf. I like them all lined up next to each other. And on the other bottom shelf, I have like the rest of like my dark covered books, and also like oranges and reds, which, by the way, I hate orange and red cover books. I just don't like how they look. Moving up, I have the blue covers, and this is like the cutest little bookend. I got these at Target, and it's like really heavy, solid concrete, but you can also put little things in here, but all these books are a little bit too fat to fit. Next to that, I don't know if I am obsessed with this shelf, but for now, I'll keep it this way. I have my little pink pumpkin, and then these are like peachy pink colored books, and then in here, I have like a lot of my little journals. I also have my book stamp in here. So there's what that little stamp looks like, and I love to stamp my little books, especially my favorites. Above that are the lighter colored books, and in here I have both hardcovers and paperbacks, and I don't really mind how it looks here. On the shelf next to that, I have my little YouTube play button and a candle, and also some pumpkins for the season. Above that are a few of my favorite books. There are some missing because I've loaned them out to friends and family, but these are like my 5-star reads. Then we have the pink shelf. I got this really cute lamp off First Dibs. So adorable, I love it. And this bookend here, it's actually the matching one to the blue. I like that they're mismatched. But there's like a little area for pens, and then I just put my little ghost friend here. My only goal with this shelf is to keep it like really pastel, so eventually as I get more pastel pink books, I will phase these darker ones out. And at the very top, I have my little bookish candle. It smells so good. And the start of my Christmas book collection. Lastly, the leftover purple and green books are on the very top shelf along with Ariana. So there it is. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and coming along to help me organize my bookshelves and kind of free up a little bit of space, although I only got rid of a few things. I'm going to link as much as I can from these shelves in my description box down below, so be sure to check that out before you leave. And I'm also going to link my Pango books, and over there I'll have a handful of books listed for sale. Thank you so much, you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye!